Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to play Yeah Boy and Dollface by Pierce Veil. Pretty easy, standard tuning, no capo, and yeah, let's get right into it. So, first finger, 5th string on the 4th fret, second finger, 2nd string on the 5th fret, and 3rd finger on the 6th string, or 6th fret on the 4th string, pinky finger on the 3rd string on the 6th fret. So, should sound like this. Yep, basically that. And then you want to move your first finger up to the 6th string on the 5th fret, muting the A string. So it should sound like this. Should sound like that. And next you want to do is put your first finger 4th fret, 6th string, second finger 4th string, 4th fret, third finger 3rd string, 4th fret. You want to mute the A string again. So it should sound like this. Actually, don't mute the bottom two. I should said that. In the song, they don't actually do that. They just hit the 4 strings. So yeah, I'm using my my first finger here to mute it. Then after that, you want to move your 3rd finger up a fret. So it should sound like this. And yeah, that's like, I'm gonna call that part 1. So that's part 1. You do part 1 twice, and then I'm gonna call this part 2, where you start off the same, but you put your middle finger up here instead of your first finger. So you want to mute the A string still, but it should sound like this. And then you move your first finger up here, mute the A string. Should sound like that. You want to do that twice as long. So let me show you guys the strumming pattern. Basically, it's up and down. That may not be the exact one, but I feel like it fits the song pretty well. You guys can change it to however you guys think it fits. But yeah, that's the one I'm sticking with. So basically, I'll put it into the chords. I'll do it decent speed, and yeah, so. So that's part 1. You do that twice. I'm gonna skip the second time to show you guys the other one. So next one is. So yeah, should sound something like that. Yeah. So after that, you do part 1 again, just once, and so yeah. And then after that, you just want to slide it up 2 frets to the 2nd fret. Do it again, but twice as long. You can hit the bottom 2 strings now. They do that in the song, and so yeah. Next part, move your first finger to the 1st fret. So just do it twice as long again. And then, oh yeah, you don't mute the A this time. And then, yeah, so first finger back onto the 5th string. Or not back onto, you guys didn't put it there, but move to the 5th string, 2nd fret. So it should sound like this. And then, yeah, so in the song they do kind of a, but they don't do it with this chord. They move the first finger onto the 4th string, 1st fret, 2nd finger to the 5th string on the 2nd fret. They do a, so yeah, just a strum up. So after, you want to quickly change into that and just drum up. But yeah, pretty easy. That's pretty much the intro. I mean, if you guys want, I can try to figure out the rest of the song. But yeah, the intro acoustic part. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Yeah, if you guys find a better string pen or something, tell me. I want to learn too. Basically doing this so I can learn from you guys can learn from me. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. Adios.